Yo, what is up, YouTube and the Monster Club? It is yours truly, the life of the party, the young go hard in like a Chris Rock comedy special. I ain't holding no jokes back because I am the party monster. Back in the house of Monster, back out with a brand new video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a very special mystery pickup that comes courtesy of the Antisocial Social Club website. For those that don't know, I do shop heavily with Antisocial Social Club. Granted, it's not always a given you will get the thing that you ordered, well, that you actually paid for and everything, but they're getting better at it, so kudos to them. But anyway, I've had this one for some time now. I honestly have no idea what's inside this package, so we're going to be surprised together. But before we do all of that, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and join the Monster Club. Literally, we are, I want to say, 18 subs away from the Cherry 11 giveaway that I'm going to be doing for you guys, and the winner is designated size. So again, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel. Hell, share with a friend and tell them to subscribe, and the quicker you do that, the quicker we'll get to 100 subscribers, and I can do the giveaway for you guys. And yes, the goal for your boy in 2023 is 1,000 subscribers. I know we can do it. I have the best fan base club on YouTube. Super biased, but it is what it is. No apologies. But anyway, enough talking. Without further ado, let's get it. Okay, guys, we're gonna get right into it. I have my package right here. About to just open it up right quick and see what I got. Ooh, I remember this one. Okay. So we got it here. My true size, extra large. And I'm not sure what they call this one offhand, but to me, I think it's just called the Dance Dance Revolution tee. As you guys can see, you have Antisocial Social Club. You have like the little arrows that you would have on the dance pad for Dance Dance Revolution. And you have Perfect, which is very dope. Like, this is really chill. And on the back, you have the exact same thing, but bigger. You got Perfect on the top. You have Combo, and you have the arrows going down the shirt, which this shirt is so clean. Like, I definitely am glad I picked this one up. Like, I probably should have doubled up and everything, but yeah, I really rock with this one. Like, definitely summer vibes. Okay, guys, so I know this is a short and sweet video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it nonetheless. If you guys did, make sure you hit that like button. Definitely share it with a friend, and more importantly, can't stress this part enough. I know I say it in like every video, but if you feel the vibe, hit subscribe. You guys can follow your boy on Twitter at PartyMonster1 and on Instagram at PartyMonster05. And until next, remember, be excellent to each other and party on, dudes. Peace.